Unlocking the Sora 2 app, a guide to getting your invite code. The world of social media is about to get a whole lot weirder with the launch of OpenAI's new app, Sora 2. This innovative platform, built on the foundation of AI-generated videos, is causing a stir for all the right reasons. But here's the catch. It's not just anyone who can access this exclusive social network. You'll need an invite code to join the party. The Sora 2 Experience. A unique social network, Sora 2 is a groundbreaking social media platform that takes a bold approach. It's filled with entirely AI-generated videos, creating a unique and immersive experience. However, it's important to note that the disclaimer is clear. Nothing on the platform is authentic. OpenAI is inviting users to connect with friends in this experimental space, but it's not your typical social media feed. Getting your invite code, a step-by-step guide. To join the Sora 2 community, you'll need to follow these steps. Download the Sora app. Start by downloading the Sora app from the Apple App Store. Look for the app with a distinctive navy and white cloud icon. This is your gateway to the Sora universe. Log in and stay notified. Use your existing ChatGPT account to log in, or create a new account if you don't have one. Then, tap on Notify Me when access opens. To stay informed about your invitation, allow notifications. In the pop-up window, grant Sora permission to send you push notifications. This ensures you don't miss out on any updates or your invite code. Wait for your invitation. OpenAI is rolling out access in phases, starting with the US and Canada. Be patient, as the company prioritizes pro users for access. Once you receive your invite code, you can complete your Sora account setup. Sharing the Sora experience. Once you've set up your account, you'll have the opportunity to share your Sora journey with friends. You'll receive 4 additional invite codes, allowing you to bring more people into this unique social network. Stay informed and explore. For more insights into AI video generators and the world of AI image generators, CNET offers comprehensive resources. Stay tuned to CNET for unbiased tech content and lab-based reviews, ensuring you're always in the know about the latest innovations in artificial intelligence.